Children, today we are going to start with lesson 5. Name of the lesson is Time is Precious. So, do you know what is time? Time is a period of minutes, hours, days. And why it is called precious? Because it plays a very important role in our life. Precious means valuable. Okay, by reading this chapter, we will come to know how we should utilize our time and the importance of time in our life. Here you can see time wasted is lost forever. Tick tock, so runs the clock. Time passes, time lost, so be wise and do your best. Time is a very precious thing. Once gone, it never comes back. The time that you have wasted will never come back. It is gone forever. And in home, who shows us the time? Is the clock. By giving the sound tick tock, the time passes away. So it is our time to be clever and use the time carefully. So let us see how Ritu utilizes her time in order to be successful in life. So we will read the chapter line wise in order to know. Here is the picture. I think this is Ritu. She is what we can observe here by seeing the picture, that she is enjoying the cartoon show in her television. She was very fond of watching TV. Her parents and teachers used to tell her to use her time properly, but she never listened. Means she never listened to her mother how to utilize the shim. Continuously keep watching the TV instead of doing her own work in time. One day her mother made a timetable for her. Her mother told her that she would not get food if she did not come to the dining table on time. But she is least bothered. In that timetable, she wrote the mother work to be done by Ritu throughout the day. So, who took the pain? Her mother took the pain in making a timetable for Ritu. But is Ritu careful? No, because she is not worried. She is not utilizing her time. But Ritu did not follow the timetable as usual. Means as she is wasting her time as usual, in spite of her mother's pain in making the timetable, she did not follow her mother saying. She got up late in the morning. As a result, she did not get ready on time. And when she came for breakfast, the mother did not give her breakfast as she did not come on time. Why did her mother did so? In order to teach her a lesson. So next see what happens. She left the school without having breakfast. She missed her school bus as well. She came back home, and as a result what happened? She was very sad. Her mother again taught her that she must know the value of time. Her mother told her that if she had slept early at night, she could have got up early, and then she would have been able to do everything on time. Means now Ritu began to realize that her mother, whatever her mother said, her mother made the timetable, that was for her benefit only. And it was good for her only that mother didn't give her the breakfast. Now she came to realize the proper utilization of time. She would not have missed her school bus as well. People who do not do everything on time always suffer, like Ritu, who did not get up early. She missed the bus, she missed her breakfast, and she returned home. So children, the mother said, I want you to be successful in life. That is why I want you to improve your habits. If you sleep early instead of watching TV till late night, you will be able to get up early the next morning. Then you shall be able to do everything properly on time. She carefully listened to her mother, and she promised her mother that from that day onwards she would do everything on time. So what did she learn? She realized the proper utilization of her time. So what is the main value we learn from that? That we should know the importance of time. Time wasted can never be recovered. We must be aware of its value. Being conscious of time will save us from future troubles, that is unpunctuality, non-completion of assignment on time, stress and anxiety. You should make your own timetable, children, from the time you wake up in the morning till bedtime. You will realize that life would be easier and full of fun if you learn the value of time. So, children, would you like to be like Ritu or be on time? It's your wish. So, let us see what is the thought we have learned. One of the best lessons that anyone can learn in life is how to use time wisely. So, let us do the exercise. What is there? It's a timetable. You can see it's a timetable. So, we will write the time at which time you wake up. So, time to wake up in the morning 5 a.m. Time for breakfast 9 a.m. Time to be ready for school 5:45 a.m. Time to leave for school 6 a.m. Time to have lunch 1 p.m. That is an afternoon you are having lunch. So we are writing here p.m. Time to sleep 2 p.m. Time to do the homework, it is 6 p.m. Now what is the time to go out for playing? 4 p.m. Time to have dinner 8 p.m. Time to go to bed 9 p.m. So this is the timetable that you should follow. So coming to next part, we will do the exercises that you will write in your copy. Answer the following. What did Ritu promise her mother? Ritu promised her mother that she would do everything on time. What is the key value learnt in the lesson? Time is precious. The key value learnt in the lesson is punctuality. Fill in the blanks. Time is a very precious thing. Complete the sentence. One of the best lessons that anyone can learn in life is how to use time wisely. Thank you.